Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, and today I'm going to show you how to gift a stock on Cash App. So here we are on Cash App. It's a full service banking and investing app. If you're unfamiliar with Cash App, definitely check out the other videos on my channel. There's thousands of tutorials for finance apps. And if you're new to Cash App, you can sign up with the link down in the description, get $5 for free. First thing you need to do is make sure you have some cash in your cash balance. You don't need much, just however much you want to gift, and you can do as little as $1. So then we want to come to the payment screen, and I'm just going to do $1 for this example, but this could be good for gifts, birthdays, Christmas, whatever. So first thing you want to do is type the amount. I'm just going to type $1, then I'm going to tap pay. Next thing we're going to do is type the person that you want to send it to. I'm going to send to this person right here. It's going to show their name highlighted in green. You can tap here and type a note if you want. Next thing we're going to do is scroll over in this middle bar. You can see some other options here as well, but we're going to tap on stock. From here we can search the stock that we want or scroll through the list. I'm just going to select Coinbase. So there we see Coinbase highlighted in the middle. Tap next. It's going to scan our face. Probably give us some order details here. Send Ryan $1 worth of Coinbase stock. Funding source is my cash balance. Current price per share is $65.11. Estimated shares they get is 0.015, and tap send. Just like that, $1 worth of Coinbase stock was sent. Tap done. You can go to my cash balance here, see there's $1 less. And there we go, that's how to gift a stock on Cash App. Real quick, we're going to take a look at what it looks like on their end. That'll do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.